Meaning of innumerate.
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 Enumerate.
Enumerate. The term enumerate refers to someone who lacks basic mathematical skills and understanding. An enumerate person may struggle with tasks such as counting, measuring, and calculating percentages or fractions. This lack of numerical competence can lead to difficulties in everyday life, from managing personal finances to making informed decisions based on data. Enumerate individuals may also be more vulnerable to scams or frauds that involve numbers. In short, being enumerate can significantly limit a person's ability to function effectively in modern society.